Good morning. So here I am with another episode of Masti Ki Pathshala this Monday morning for you all. So today we have something very different for you all, and that is that how you can save your world. छोटे बच्चे बड़े बच्चे अपनी दुनिया कैसे बचा सकते हैं। और जब हमें नेचर ये मैसेज दे रहा है कि पूरा दुनिया लॉकडाउन पे है, कोरोना वायरस बाहर है, तो हम ऐसा क्या कर सकते हैं जब लॉकडाउन खुले, ताकि हम अपनी धरती को, हम अपने प्लानिट को सेव कर पाएँ अच्छे से। और एज अ स्टूडेंट, एज अ बच्चा, व्हाट यू कैन डू फॉर द सोसाइटी, दैट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट। सो दो चीज़ें कवर करेंगे अभी हम जस्ट नाउ। एक, what as a kid, as a human being, all of you can do to be a good boy, to save the world, to save humanity. And then we will do what all we all together can do in our life to have a balanced living. So पहले हम बैड सीड की कहानी देखते हैं. So let's move to bad seed, and then we will move to recycling world. So this story is about a bad seed. This is a bad seed, a very bad seed. आप देख सकते हो कि कैसे आंखें दिखा रहा है. Oh yeah, it's true. The other seeds, they look at me and they say, that seed is so bad. Then they think I'm not listening. They mumble, there goes a bad seed. So सब लोग bad seed को bad seed बोलते थे और bad seed को बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता था. I am good hearing for a seed, but I can hear them that they all point out. I never put things back when they are belong. कहीं पे नहीं रखता था. I am late for everything. I tell jokes with no punchline. I never wash my hands. I lie. I stare at everybody. I glare at everybody. I finish everybody's sentence and I never listen. And I don't do a lot of other bad things too. You know why he do all these things? Because he is a bad seed. It just can't help it. It was not bad always. बैड सीड वॉज बॉर्न अ हम्बल सीड. एक अच्छा सीड था वो, और सनफ्लावर में रहता था. उसके बाद बड़ी फैमिली थी. एक दिन सनफ्लावर ने उन सब सीड्स को नीचे गिरा दिया, एंड ऑल फ्लावर्स ड्रॉप्ड एंड ऑल द सीड्स केम डाउन. इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ ब्लर. सब भागने लगे. फिर उसको पकड़ के एक बैग में पैक कर दिया गया. एवरीथिंग वॉज डार्क इन द बैग. एंड देन one day somebody opened the bag and there was a person who took the packet of sunflower seeds और वो खाने लगा. और ये हमारा बैड सीड उसके माउथ में चला गया. आई थॉट आई वॉज अ गोनर, आई थॉट आई वॉज डन, बट तुरंत उसने उसको पुटू करके स्पिट कर दिया, एंड वो हमारा सीड कहीं दूर जाके गिरा. I flew through the air and I landed under the bleachers with a hug thud. When I woke up, it was dark outside and it became different seed entirely. A bad seed. That's right, I stopped smiling. I kept to myself. I drifted. I was friendly to nobody and bad to everybody. I was lost on purpose. I lived inside the can. Until recently, अब उसको realize हुआ, I have to make a big decision. I am ready to be happy. It's hard to good when you are so used to being bad, but I'm trying. Sure, I still forget to listen, but still show up late and still give jokes. But I also say thank you, and I also say please, and I say I smile, and I open door for people at times. So I'm not 100% good, but I'm trying to be good and bad at the same time. So it is a sort of a mix. I'm keep on thinking. People says, "Hey, look, there goes a bad seed." लोग मेरे बारे में बोलते हैं बुरा, पर अच्छा भी बोलते हैं. Actually, he's not all that bad anymore. I heard that. तो बैड सीड अब कुछ कुछ अच्छी चीजें करने लगा था. कभी अच्छा करता था, पर ट्राई करता था. सो That was our story for being bad. A story from all the way a, from a bad seed who used to have certain things in life, and because of that he decided to be bad. But kids, just assume that it is very easy to be bad. हाथ नहीं धोना, खाना टाइम पे नहीं खाना, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हम करते हैं जब तो हम भूल जाते हैं कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं। एंड मम्मी की बात नहीं सुनना, ये सब हम करते हैं चीज़ें और तब हम बैड हो जाते हैं। सो आई वॉन्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू अंडरस्टैंड that try to be good. You cannot good every time, but you can try. आप थैंक यू बोल सकते हो, आप सॉरी बोल सकते हो, आप कई बार अगर मन नहीं करे तो हैंड वॉश नहीं कर सकते हो, बट ज़्यादा बार हैंड वॉश कर सकते हो। सो इट इज़ योर चॉइस दैट हाउ आर यू डीलिंग विद योर सेल्फ एंड हाउ आर यू कैरिंग। तो अगर आपको लगता है आप बैड सीड हो तो आप गुड सीड भी बन सकते हो। द पावर इज विद इन यू। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव द पावर, you can do that, you can decide, and you can come on that. So please take a call every day. Try to be good at things which you want to be good at. Try. Trying is more important. Okay. So this was about the bad seed, and now I'm taking you two things about epic. सो मैंने जैसे आपको बताया कि हमारी लाइब्रेरी में हमारे पास बुक्स फॉर किड्स हैं एपिक स्टोरीज में। तो आज हमारी बुक है रैली फॉर रिसाइकलिंग। सो एज यू नो, लॉकडाउन के बाद हम सबकी दुनिया बदल जाएगी और हमारे रहने ढहने का तरीका बदल जाएगा। सो हम क्या चीज़ करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे, ये आज हम डिसाइड करते हैं। सो लेट्स मूव ऑन। हमारा आज का बुक है रैली फॉर रिसाइकलिंग। Let's learn what Rally for Recycling has to tell us. Some kids want to be firefighters. Some kids want to be teachers. कुछ बच्चों को आग बुझाने वाला बनना है, कुछ बच्चों को टीचर बनना है। My name is Taylor. Guess what? I'm going to save Earth. I'm going to be Earth saver when I grow up. So आप लोगों को दुनिया बचानी है, ये दुनिया आपकी है। What, maybe I should not wait. People are making an awful lot of trash. सब जगह लोग देखो कितनी गंदगी करते हैं। I'll better take charge before it's too late. People in the United States are big trash makers. Each person make more than 4 pounds of trash each day. Some of this trash is burned, but this make the air dirty. Some of the trash is buried, but buried trash can last hundred of years and it take up lot of space. So what are we able to do that? So let's see what we can do. Recycling helps clean up. Mom says it's great that I want to clean up the earth, but she wants me to start with my room. So this boy wants to become the person who is earth saver. And now the mom is looking forward to start things from his own house. आप बड़ी बड़ी चीज करना चाहते हो, पर बोलते हैं ना चैरिटी बिगिंस एट होम, अपने घर से स्टार्ट करो। सो मम्मा ने इसको बोला कि आप बनना तो चाहते हो पर स्टार्ट करो अपने घर से, तो पहले अपना रूम साफ करो। सो लॉजिकल, मॉम्स आर ऑलवेज स्मार्ट। Look at it, it's not that bad, is it? Yes, I can see it's very bad, so it takes time to clean up. Cleaning my room makes more trash. It's a good thing my teacher explained about recycling. Recycling means changing somehow we don't need into something we can use. So let's recycle. Do you think I could recycle my sister? Maybe into a lizard. Now this is a comedy part of it. The boy want to recycle and he want to convert her sister into lizard. So if you go and see Epic Library, you will see these words which you can pick up and they will give you the meaning of it. That says no about lizard idea, but I can recycle these plastic bottles and these cans and magazines too. So what all we can recycle? हम अपनी प्लास्टिक की बॉटल्स को रिसाइकिल कर सकते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर को रिसाइकिल कर सकते हैं, एम्प्टी बॉटल्स एम्प्टी कैंस को रिसाइकिल कर सकते हैं. देन दे वोंट एंड अप इन द थ्रैश. और जब आप रिसाइकिल करोगे तो वो थ्रैश नहीं बनेगा, क्योंकि प्लास्टिक की बॉटल को रिसाइकिल करना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. डिस्पोज करना, तो डिस्पोज करने से पहले उसको रिसाइकिल कर दीजिए तो आपकी किसी और यूज में आ जाएगा. We can also recycle glass jars, newspaper, and cardboard. Some of these things have the recycling mark on them. It look like this. So you can see recycle mark कि जो चीज़ recycle करने की है वो recycle करो. Sorting it all out. Now he's in his bathroom. I'm pretty thirsty after carrying the recycling outside. I'll get a drink from the faucet. That was I won't empty another bottle. Guess where my dog Pete drinks from. So it's good to recycle, but it is even better to make less trash and avoid plastic water bottles when you can. Fill a cup instead. So we can avoid plastic bottles. We can directly drink from the glass. We can drink it directly from, take it from the tap, and we can do all that. People in big trucks will pick up recycling. They will take it to a recycling center. Now, if you can see, this is a recycling center. Workers will sort it into groups. They put cans with cans, they put papers with papers. Some things can be recycled only once, but we can recycle cans many times. So, in this recycling center, you can see there are people working and they are sorting out all the cans at one place, all the bottles at another place, different things at different places. And कुछ चीज़ें होती है जो एक बार रिसाइकिल होती है, कुछ चीज़ें होती है जो बार बार रिसाइकिल होती हैं. So you all can do that. So कुछ चीज़ें आप अपने साइड से ही कम कर सकते हो. Let's have some surprise. Companies will buy the recycling. They might use it to make new cans or paper, but sometimes they turn the recycling into something totally different. Companies even make t-shirt out of plastic. Could be wearing bottles. There are many recycling surprises. Companies can make sandals out of old tires. They make chairs out of old cans. They make carpet out of plastic bottles. So these are companies which are very creative and they are looking forward to recycling things. This trash problem is going to take some work. Maybe you could help by recycling too. So start working and recycling your body bottles. Then I can find another way to save the planet tomorrow. And there are electronic recycling as well. Buying goods made from recycling things is also important. Look for the recycling mark inside a circle. It means the item has been from something recycled. Watch for it the next time you go shopping. So आपने पहले एक मार्क देखा जो बता रहा था कि रिसाइकलिंग कैसे होता है, और आपने ये मार्क देखा जो बता रहा है कि रिसाइकलिंग कैसा होता है. So please just watch it and recycle it. Next time आप कुछ भी खरीदने जाएंगे, so just make sure that you are buying something. Now I have here given an activity and see what you have to do. आपको अपने सब पुराने crayons खरीदने हैं, इकट्ठे करने हैं. Break the crayons into small pieces. Sort the crayons into different cups in muffin pan and remove the super crayons from the liners. Then have fun. Why not color a poster about recycling at your home? So you can put the recycling colors. इसको ओवन में डाल देंगे तो ये डिफरेंट कलर्स के बन जाएंगे. तो अपने क्रायॉन्स ले लीजिए, उसको तोड़ दीजिए और उसको डिफरेंट मफिन कप्स में डाल दीजिए. एंड यू कैन मिक्स द कलर्स एज वेल. एंड किसी बड़े की हेल्प लेके इसको ओवन में डाल दीजिए. इस ओवन को 250 फ़ारेनहाइट पे हीट करिए और क्रायॉन्स को 10 से 20 मिनट तक पकाइए. Cool the crayons in muffin pan and you have super crayons from the liners. आपके पास बड़े बड़े crayons आ जाएंगे and then you can do your activity there. So that's an amazing idea. You can do that. अपनी crayons का shape change कर दीजिए, crayons का shape change कर दीजिए और नए crayons बना लीजिए. So that was all for today. It was nice connecting with you all. A nice activity. Do that at home. Recycle your things and be a good seed now. Thank you very much.